Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, March 7, 2019. A slow warming trend will take place over the next 4 or 5 days, and we'll see our temperatures max out in the upper 30s to low 40s by late Saturday night into Sunday morning before the cold front comes through. But then that'll just take us up to normal. We've been running about 15 to 20 degrees below normal, and our snowpack should go from about a half a foot in town down to about 2 or 3 inches as we expect about 6 to 9 tenths of an inch of rain, but it'll be a lot of mix of freezing rain, sleet, and snow with that rain. So a cooler looking storm than what we were facing a couple of days ago. But again, that should help to melt some of the snow. And you can see with the slightly milder temperatures, the seasonal weight restrictions now going into effect with the county in effect today. Many more will join it on Friday, and a whole slew of counties will go into seasonal weight restrictions by Monday. And if you look at satellite view, you can see the moisture streaming off to our west. This particular system will drive down to the southeast across the Ohio and Tennessee Valley with a mix of freezing rain, sleet, and snow there. Our main system will develop in the southwest, eventually move up into northeast Iowa, and then towards Sault Ste. Marie here over the weekend. Again, bringing some of that milder air in, which only in the upper 30s to low 40s, but compared to where we've been, it's going to seem quite balmy out there. You can see the last of the lake effect is going to be diminishing this morning. All the weather advisories canceled now across the western part of the state. And if you look at the snow field here, that's for that system that'll be moving off to our south. If we look at temperatures here this morning, temperatures, the cold spot 7.7 at Clarksville. Meanwhile, it's 19.3 for the warm spot in Blissfield. Again, these are about 10 to 15 degrees below normal. Our highs have been running again about 20 degrees below normal. On the weather map this morning, you can see that system pulling off to the east, and again, that other system streaking across the southwest. Meanwhile, the moisture and energy gathering strength again across the southwest. As we look at that system by Saturday morning, we'll skip ahead to Saturday morning, you can see an area of freezing rain, sleet, and snow mixed across much of lower Michigan. Heavy snow across the upper plains into the Midwest and the northern Midwest. Again, they're going to see about 1 to 2 feet of snow here over the next 7 days. And if we look at that storm as we get into Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, you can see 988 millibars, or about 29.17 inches of mercury. And that storm, again, will head right up towards Sault Ste. Marie. Once it gets up in this area, we'll see our winds begin to howl as we get into Saturday night into Sunday morning, and cooler temperatures will filter in behind the secluded front. And then we got another system we're going to watch for later next week that could actually get us in the warm sector. And if we look at the precipitation here over the next 7 days, this is for 2 storms, the one this weekend and the one as we get into next Wednesday and Thursday. Again, both these systems look like they'll be about 6 to 9 tenths of an inch of rainfall. Again, the warmer system, again, with temperatures maybe in the 40s and 50s as we get into around next Thursday. So we'll keep an eye on that system. As far as snowfall, you can see winter is certainly alive and doing well into the northern plains, into the upper Midwest. Some of these places will see about 1 to 2 feet of snow here over the next 7 days. And as far as our forecast goes, you can see our temperatures moderating through the 20s into the upper 30s and maybe low 40s here as we get in over the weekend before we cool down just a bit. Again, you can see that warming trend, and then Sunday afternoon our temperatures will fall. Right now, about 6 to 9 tenths, and again, this will be a pretty sloppy system. Saturday night, very early Sunday, be careful. We could have some icy roads and certainly some ice accumulations, but we'll keep an eye on that. Things could change here over the next couple of days. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.